In this video, we're going to do a super quick walkthrough of account management inside StatusCake. Most users won't need to adjust these settings often, but it's useful to know where to find things like your account details, workspace defaults, or even API access. Let's have a quick look. To begin, go to the top right hand corner of the dashboard, click on Account Settings and then My Account. This opens up the main user panel where you can manage your account information. At the top, you'll see your basic account details, your username, email address, and your time zone. You can update your email address yourself here, and it will send out a verification email. But please bear in mind, if you have a Google account or Microsoft linked or any 2FA, this will fail to send out a password reset. You need to disable these beforehand. Below that, you'll see default workspace. If your account has access to more than one workspace, this lets you choose which one should load by default when you log in. This is especially helpful for teams managing multiple monitoring environments. Further down, you'll find security settings. You can enable two-factor authentication using SMS or Google Microsoft Authenticator. And underneath that, you can also change your password at any time. These are simple but important options for keeping your monitoring account secure. At the bottom of the page, you'll see your API keys section. This is where you can generate API access for integrations, reporting tools, or external monitoring workflows. Now, one important note here, especially for shared accounts. If you're using StatusCake in a shared workspace setup where you have an account admin and multiple sub-users, then API keys must be created from the admin account. If a sub-user generates an API key without admin permissions, it won't have access needed across the workspace. So for team environments, always make sure API access is managed at the admin level. And that's it. That's the account management section inside StatusCake. It's a quick area, but it covers the essentials: user details, workspace defaults, login security, and API key access.